Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is in partnership with Best Buy, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Now, both of these wearables right here make the perfect combo. I'm talking Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra by day and Galaxy Ring by night. And you'll see what I mean here in a bit. But before you go out and buy yourself a Samsung Galaxy Ring, you're gonna wanna make sure to pick up one of these right here, which is their sizing kit for the Galaxy Ring, because you wanna make sure to get the best size possible for whatever finger you plan on having this ring on. And right now, Best Buy is actually giving a $10 e-certificate with the purchase of a sizing kit. So you're basically getting your money back. You're basically getting it for free, because I believe the price is around 10 bucks for that sizing kit. You're gonna be able to get that $10 e-certificate and just put it towards the purchase of your Samsung Galaxy Ring. So just a nice little gift there from Best Buy. And I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can check out both of these wearables for yourself, and of course that sizing kit as well. Now, like I mentioned earlier, both the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Ring just make the perfect combo, of course, when paired with your Samsung Galaxy device. These are all talking to each other. The Galaxy Ring is feeding information over to your Samsung mobile device. Your Galaxy Watch Ultra is feeding information over. So you can see everything that is going on between both of these wearables right here. If you want to see what's happening with your Galaxy Ring, boom, straight into the Samsung Health app. You can see all the information that it's feeding it, and the same thing with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. But when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, a lot of that information you can actually just see right on the watch itself if you don't feel like bringing out your mobile device at that current moment. So aside from the Galaxy Watch Ultra having that new durable titanium design that can handle any type of condition, even ocean swimming condition, which is pretty awesome for those of you who like to go to the beach. Aside from all that, this watch can keep track of a lot of your health information and keep track of a lot of your fitness goals as well, which is pretty awesome. This is something that I have personally been using pretty much on a daily basis, especially just when it comes to something as simple as just my daily walks. Whew, it is a hot one today, but as you can see, I am currently out here taking my daily walk with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, keeping track of it all, and then of course got my Galaxy Ring on as well. But taking a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra to see the information that it gives us, not only is it great for, measuring the time of your workout, your walk or your run, but it's also going to give you a lot of other useful information. But as you can see up there at the top, now that I have stopped this exercise or taken a little break, as you can see, it has now auto paused for me. So I didn't actually have to go in and press pause. It does it all for me. So that's really nice. It'll automatically just pause your exercise for you. And then once you start going again, as you can see, let me go ahead and start walking here. Then the exercise will start back up here, as you can see right there. So the time started, it's starting to measure my steps again and the distance, and then I will go ahead and stop again. Let me stop over here in the shade. There we go. So if I stop, let's watch it auto pause. And it takes about a few seconds and it will auto pause for you. And 3, 2, 1, boom. As you can see there, so it has auto paused this exercise for me. I actually timed that pretty good. So as you can see, not only is it great for tracking the time of your exercise, but it's also going to give you the actual time of day, which is up at the top, 6:23 p.m. It's going to measure your distance walked or ran. It's going to measure your steps and your heart rate as well. And not only that, but it's counting the calories burned. It's giving you your average speed, your speed at that time of walk or run, along with your heart rate still there at the bottom. It's going to give you your average heart rate and the maximum heart rate of what it's measuring during your exercise, and it gives you different zones. You got zone 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is the red zone, which you really don't want to be up there, but that's how you know you're really pushing it during your workout. So as you can see, definitely a lot of great useful information coming from the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra for both your walks and your runs. Now, aside from the Galaxy Watch Ultra specifically just tracking your walks or your runs, it's actually tracking all of your activity all throughout your day on its own. You don't actually have to go in and do anything. It's automatically tracking your steps, your heart rate, any type of movement in your body to see if you got any activity going on. And it's nice because if you actually go into the watch and set some goals for yourself, it'll actually let you know midday or any time of the day if you hit those goals, and kind of give you like a little celebration to let you know that you hit that goal for the day. So it's a nice little feature there. And I kind of noticed this while I was at work, because I work a pretty intense labor job, and about halfway throughout my day, I've already reached all 3 of my goals, and I know automatically because the watch is alerting me, letting me know. So it's just a nice little feature there. But when it does come to just exercising or working out, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra actually has tons of different types of exercises or workout modes that you can choose from to be able to track those specific exercises. And you can also create your own exercise routine as well, which I have actually personally done. So going into my custom workout routine right here, scrolling down, as you can see, I start off with a nice 10-minute walk, go into a nice 10-minute run, and then right into a 3-minute stretch as soon as that 10-minute run is over, no breaks, and then go right into some push-ups for 30 seconds there, still no breaks, and then go right into a plank since I am already pretty much in that position, and that is a 45-second plank. I do take a nice little 20-second break and then go into some squats. 15 reps for 1 set, no breaks, and then go right into some lunges after those squats right there, and then no breaks once again, and then go into some burpees. Who doesn't like their burpees, right? 10 reps for the burpees, take a 20-second break after that, and then into some jumping jacks for 30 seconds, just however many I can do for those 30 seconds, no break, and then into some crunches for 30 seconds. And then I can go ahead and start that whole routine all over again as many times as I want. So as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra can definitely be a great fitness companion because of all of those fitness features that it has to offer. But aside from the whole fitness side of things, we also have the health side of things as well. You can be able to track things like your calorie intake. If you're someone who likes to count calories throughout your day, boom, you can track it here on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And you can also track your water intake as well, because you know, some of us like to try and drink at least a gallon of water a day. Well, boom, you make sure you track it here on the watch. That way you're never losing track of how much water you're drinking, because sometimes we drink less than we actually should be drinking. Well, with the Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can make sure that you are drinking enough water. But aside from that, we can also track things like our skeletal muscle, our body fat, our body water, fat mass, BMI, and we also have sleep tracking here on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which I find to be very accurate, and it definitely lets me know that I am not getting enough sleep throughout the night, which I know for a fact that I need to add some more hours to my sleep. But when it does come to sleep, I know there are a lot of people out there who don't like to wear a watch to sleep. For some people, it's just not comfortable. Well, that's where the Samsung Galaxy Ring comes in, because the Ring itself has sleep tracking as well, and the Ring is gonna be a lot more comfortable to wear at night when sleeping than your watch for a lot of people. So this gives you a chance to take your watch off, maybe charge it overnight, even though battery life is really good on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, but this is just gonna ensure you that you never run out of battery life. So while you're sleeping at night, you get to charge your watch and still keep track of your sleep. But not only that, it's also still keeping track of your heart rate and your overall energy score as well. So that's why I say Galaxy Watch Ultra by day and Galaxy Ring by night, because your Galaxy Watch Ultra is pretty much covering everything throughout your entire day. And then when you go to sleep at night, that's where the Samsung Galaxy Ring comes in to make sure it's still at least keeping track of your sleep, your heart rate, in case, you know, just making sure you don't have any irregular heartbeats or anything like that. And then just your overall energy score. So that's why both of these right here just make a perfect combo. And if throughout the day you want to, you know, take your watch off for a little bit, you still got your Galaxy Ring on, still keeping track of that heart rate for you, making sure everything is good. And then of course you also have other features like the gestures with the Galaxy Ring, which I actually like when it comes to taking photos and videos on my Samsung Galaxy mobile device. Just with 2 simple taps, I can start the camera when I want to start a video, and then I can end that video as well with the 2 gestures with the Galaxy Ring right here. So we also got some cool features with the Galaxy Ring aside from just, you know, being able to track our sleep and heart rate as well. But aside from all that, I mean, both of these wearables just look great on your hand and wrist together. Like I said, making the perfect combo, not only for tracking fitness and health, but for also looking great on your hand and your wrist. And it's nice that we're able to switch up those watch faces here on on the Galaxy Watch Ultra as well to better fit your outfit for the day. I mean, there are tons of watch faces to choose from. So definitely the perfect combo when it comes to the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Ring. And if you find yourself interested in any of these wearables right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself, or maybe check out both for yourself, because like I said, they are making the perfect combo here. Again, huge thanks to Best Buy for partnering with me here in this video. Thank you also very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.